So, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is going to be the first video on my channel and of the series. In this series, we are going to learn Python on Android devices. If it is helpful for you, hit the like button, and for the more videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you. So in this video, we are going to download the app which will help you to code Python. So let's start. So go to your Play Store and search for Paydroid 3. The link is also provided in description, and here you can read its reviews, but I'm just going to download it. So you can see that Paydroid 3 is downloaded. So just click on the open button to open it up. And here you can see installing Python. So here it is just installing Python emulator in your devices so that you can code on it. So after the installation is completed, you are ready to code with Python 3 in this app. So you can see a blue margin just above your keyboard. So this is containing many symbols like hashtag, slashes, brackets. So this will going to help you further in your Python coding journey. If you have any question related to this topic, you can ask in comment sections, or you can email me. The email ID is provided in the description. Thank you. So that's all for this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.